For your safety, stay at home. المواهب British Private School.
Good morning, grade 1. How are you? I hope that you enjoy with the activity that we do it before. Don't forget to send for me the pictures. Today we will continue our talking about light and dark, and I want from you to prepare your pupils book page number 17 and the activity book page number 14. And what we should write? The date up. Very good, grade 1. We still grade 1 with the same topic about how are shadows formed. Are you ready? Very good. Don't forget to write the date on the pages. A shadow is a dark area formed when the light is blocked. So, I should have a light sources and any object it will block the light. And if you remember, we already learned about the things can form shadows of different shapes and size. But what about the color? It will be the same color of the object? Very good. It will be black, no color. We will have this question now, and we wanted to answer about this ball. This picture shows a flashlight shining at a ball. So I have the flashlight as a light sources. I have the ball as a blocked light. Then I will have the wall to receive our shadows. Look carefully for this one, and we will have a questions about this picture. Now we wanted to think. Will the shadow of the ball be bigger or smaller if the ball is moved near to the flashlight? I will take the ball and I will keep it near to the flashlight. Do you think the shadow it will be bigger or smaller? I want from you to think now.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Very good, grade 1. So the shadow will be bigger. Very good, grade 1. Very good. Another question now. Will the shadow of the ball be bigger or smaller if the ball is moved from the flashlight? So it will be little far away. What do you think? It will be bigger or smaller? Are you ready to think with me now?
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good, grade 1. So the shadow now it will be smaller. It will be smaller. Thank you. Very good, grade 1. Grade 1, I want from you to open your pupils book, page number 17, to have our exercise. Don't forget to write the date up. Can you see this girl? She is placed a ball in front of the flashlight. And the ball forms a shadow on the wall because I have a light sources and I have blocked objects. Look carefully for these questions now and we will answer for next. Be ready. Which of these does the shadow of the ball look like? A. Black. B. Colored. C. I have like white and black colored. D. It will be like a circle and inside without any color. What do you think? Which one it will be? The shape of the shadow. Think with me now.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Good, grade 1. So the correct answer A, circle. A, the shadow should be dark without any color. Very good, grade 1. Grade 1, open your activity book, page number 13 now, and write the date up. This page, it will be the last page. We will take it in this unit. So focus with me now. Open your mind. Catch your pencil. We will write these questions now together, but with a nice handwriting. Fill in the blanks using the helping words. I will have this diagram and I will have missing words. The missing words, they will be in the blue area, as you can see. I have the words. I will read them and try to repeat after me. Blocked. I can hear you, grade 1. Blocked. Darkness. Darkness. Eyes. Eyes. Fire. Fire. Lamps. Lamps. Shadows. Shadows. Shapes. Shapes. Sources. Sources. Stars. Stars. Size. Size. Okay, we will start now with our diagram. Be with me. Light from light. Which word it will be? Usually we take the light from where? We take the light from the light sources. Very good, grade 1. From the light sources. Now I will show you where you should write the light sources, okay? With a nice handwriting, grade 1. So the first one we will write sources. Where I should write, as you can see, you have the line where you will write, grade 1. Write it with a nice handwriting. Light from light sources. Light from light sources. The light from the light sources, as we write it, such as what? Such as we have the sun. Guess now what we have. Something give us light from the table up. Very good. Stars, lamps, fire. So write them with a nice handwriting, as you can see, grade 1. Please stop the video and write with a nice handwriting. Now we will read it together. Light from the light sources, such as the sun, star, lamp, and fire, they will enter our eyes. So the light should enter our eyes, then we can see everything around us. Please write eyes with a nice handwriting. Now be with me in the middle column. Light when by things. I wanted to use some words. It will be perfect for this space. When blocked by things, that means something, it will block this light. So please write blocked in the same space that I mentioned for you with a nice handwriting. Boys and girls, you can stop the video and write with a nice handwriting, okay? I will wait. So the light when blocked by things, what we have now? Dark area. This dark area I will call shadows. Very good, grade 1. So I will call shadows. Please write it with a nice handwriting. Now we already write light when blocked by things form dark areas called shadows, which can have different what? Shapes and size. Very good, grade 1. Shapes and size. What about the color? The color will be black. Very good. The color will be black. Very good. Write it with a nice handwriting. Excellent, grade 1. Last space now. Light not present in totally. Darkness. Very good. So if I will have darkness, that's mean no light. Now I will read all of them together. Light from the light sources, such as we have the sun, star, lamps, fire. They enter where? They enter our eyes. Then we discuss about the shadows. Light when blocked by things. Dark areas. I will say for this dark areas, shadows, which can have different shapes and different size. And if I don't have any light, no light, that's mean totally dark or darkness. Dark or darkness. Very good, grade 1. Please write all the words with a nice handwriting. You see next page what you have? I know that you like to draw a happy face, but before you will draw a happy face, we will revise everything we take in this unit. Are you ready for that? Very good. We wanted to take if we are good for learning this topic, we will draw a happy face. If there is anything, ask your mom to tell me, then I will repeat for you everything, okay? Are you ready? Very good. I love you, grade 1. And I miss you all. Now we will check what have you learned. Things that give off light are called what? Light sources. Very good. We can see when light from the light sources enter our eyes. Excellent. The sun, stars, lamp and fire are example for the light sources. Did you answer all of these questions now? Very good. If you answer all of these questions before, draw a happy face on the first one, because you know everything about the light sources. We learn about the light and the dark. When there is no light, there is totally darkness. Very good. Can you repeat it? Darkness. We cannot see when no light enter our eyes. The same thing as when we are closing our eyes. You can't see anything if you close your eyes? No, we cannot see anything. So we cannot see when no light enter our. If you know about the dark and about the light and about how the light enter our eyes, you can draw also and be a happy face. Very good, grade 1. Now we will check the last things about shadows. Are you ready for that? What we learned about shadows? The shadow is the dark area formed when a light is blocked. Very good. So I should have light sources and any object blocked this light. Things can form shadows of different shapes and size. Very good. What do you think about the color? Answer very fast, very fast. Faster. What do you think about the color? There is a color? No color. It will be totally black. Very good, grade 1. If you know everything about the shadow, you can draw the third happy face. Excellent, grade 1. I miss all of you and I love you too much.